Queen of Bollywood, now a Y+ category protectee, but today, as she returned to Mumbai, the BMC, the Shiv Sena-controlled civic body of the city, moved in a bulldozer to demolish her office in Pali Hill. The ground and first floor of Kangana Ranaut's office was razed even before her plane touched down in Mumbai. Even as the Sena and the BMC maintain that they did nothing wrong, Kangana now claims that she's being threatened that her house will be demolished as well. Here's how the day's demolition drama played out.
By the time Kangana arrived in Mumbai, the damage was done. The actor who faced fiery protest at the airport had seen videos of the destruction to her property on the flight to Mumbai. There clearly appeared to be haste on the part of the BMC. At 10:45 a.m., the Sena-led BMC announced it was going to carry out the demolitions. And barely half an hour later, the bulldozers were at the actor's Pali Hill office property. Within a short while, portions of the bungalow, which houses her offices, were torn off. From the floor level to the balcony, nothing was spared. The BMC's JCB did not spare even the artifacts that Kangana had installed in her office. The reception area on first floor was damaged. Its doors pulled out.
एक्सक्लूसिव विजुअल्स दिखा रहे हैं बीएमसी के कर्मचारियों ने क्या डिमोलिशन वर्क किया है। कंगना रनौत के पाली हिल का ये वही बंगला है जहां पर डिमोलिशन ड्राइव करी गई थी। देखिए अंदर क्या हाल कर दिया गया है। बीएमसी के अधिकारी यहां पर मौजूद, मुंबई पुलिस के कर्मी यहां पर मौजूद। सर गिर जाऊंगा। फर्स्ट फिल्म देखिए, फर्स्ट फ्लोर की बैल्कनी है, उसको यहां पर नीचे ले आए हैं। अंदर काफी डिमोलिशन वर्क कर दिया गया है।
कितनी देर से आप लोग ये कर रहे हैं?
मैं सिर्फ
जो इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया गया था,
हाँ, हमको जितना बताया गया है उतना ही हम काम करते हैं।
At 12:45 p.m., a stay was ordered on the demolition after Kangana's lawyer moved the Bombay High Court.
Whatever damage has been done, we'll be estimating the damage. I don't know how much damage, to what extent, and what is the cost of all those damages. We will be making an application, not only criminal applications, not only criminal complaints, but also for recovery of the damage done by the BMC by these illegalities.
Kangana landed in Mumbai around 2 hours after the High Court gave her relief. As slogan-shouting Sena workers gathered outside the terminal, the actor was whisked away from the airport through the VIP gate. Minutes after she reached her car residence, Kangana put out a series of videos of the demolition and launched the most direct and fiercest attack on Uddhav Thackeray.
उद्धव ठाकरे, तुझे क्या लगता है कि तूने फिल्म माफिया के साथ मिलके मेरा घर तोड़ के मुझसे बहुत बड़ा बदला लिया है? आज मेरा घर टूटा है, कल तेरा घमंड टूटेगा। ये वक्त का पहिया है, याद रखना, हमेशा एक जैसा नहीं रहता।
As politics erupted with allies targeting the Sena, the BMC said there was no requirement for more demolition at Kangana's office. But with Kangana planning to drag the civic body to court, the BMC's troubles may be far from over. With Pankaj Upadhyay and Mausami Singh in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
For a quick update on that crucial meeting that's taking place at the Maharashtra Chief Minister's residence, where NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar is talking to Uddhav Thackeray on a whole host of issues on a day when he publicly signalled his disapproval of the manner in which the BMC settled what he called a personal score. We have our chief political correspondent in Mumbai, Kamlesh Sutar, joining us. Kamlesh, what can you tell us about the information that's trickling out of this meeting? What are the kind of issues you believe Sharad Pawar is raising with Uddhav Thackeray, and what's the kind of position that Uddhav is approaching this meeting with?
Well, primarily what the Chief Minister's office is saying is that this meeting is obviously about the biggest issue of Maratha reservation, the verdict that came in from the Supreme Court today. But obviously today has been a day of happenings, and especially when Sharad Pawar had snubbed openly the Shiv Sena for taking a stance on the demolition of Kangana Ranaut's office. Sharad Pawar clearly this afternoon said that there are several other illegal constructions in Mumbai that the BMC has to look into, not to talk about just one illegal construction, and I don't know why they have done that. There's no need to give importance to such issues. That is what Sharad Pawar says, and he clearly distanced himself and his party from that issue. And now on that backdrop, this meeting is taking place obviously apart from the other issues before Sharad Pawar leaves for the parliament session in a couple of days when he's expected to stay in Delhi for another week or two. So he has a whole lot of issue, and given the fact that this issue is likely to gain momentum in days to come, he will obviously be discussing that, because the important portfolio of home for the law and order is with the NCP, and the NCP Supremo is likely to discuss that issue as well. Just a while before we started, Rahul, Aditya Thackeray, the young Shiv Sena minister, he's also joined the meeting, so he's now also part of that meeting. And what will transpire in that meeting, because it's almost been last 40 minutes since Sharad Pawar is there